Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to write any sort of data to a text file within the Scilab 2025. So how we can do that? First of all, you should have to open your Scilab and you can see our console here. So this is our console. If you want to write any sort of data like string or integer, first we will declare a string, that is a is equal to we can say it is Pakistan. So this is our string, okay, and obviously string is a type of data in which there are a lot of characters like P, A, K, and all these things are actually the alphabetical characters, and their group is called as the string. And obviously a string data type must have to be initialized or declared with the help of these commas. They can be like a single or double based on the condition. But here we have declared, or we have write out a string that is Pakistan, and now with the help of this equal to, Pakistan is now assigned to this variable a, means that now variable a is containing Pakistan word as a string in it. So after when we will click enter, so it is Pakistan. So again, whenever we will write a, so we will get Pakistan here. Then we have a built-in function that is called as the write function. And how we know that this is a function? Because it has two brackets. Brackets means that we have to insert certain thing in it. These parameter brackets, insertion parameter brackets, these are called as the insertion parameters brackets. So here we will write here the location of the file where we want to create our file and deploy our data in it, and what sort of data we want to write in the file. So it is a, here it is a, so this is Pakistan in it, so Pakistan will be inside this file. So okay, now this is my what's called is the desktop, and we will just open it out any file and we will copy the path of the desktop, that is C users DCS desktop. You can go and you can right click on any random app and go to properties and then copy the link of your desktop. So now again we will go to Scilab, we can press Ctrl V, paste it out, and here we will write first file .txt. So we have declared a file, that is first file.txt. This write function will also create a file, a text file for us, and then it will deploy or put our data in it. So now when we will press enter, okay, it is done, and now we will see that either we have data. So here we have this Pakistan in it. Now after this has been done, we can go, we can write we can go and we can write like is equal to 1 2 3, and now this is an integer type of data. And can we write it out? Yes, we can write it out as well. So now we will go to first file, we can see that we have this thing, that is 1 2 3, okay, as an integer data, and now we are getting this integer data inside our text file. So in this way we can create and direct or put our data in the text file with the help of Scilab. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.